What's up, everyone? Praful here. Welcome back to another episode of the 915 Daily. Today is Friday, 31st of October, and the last trading day of this month. And yet again, we saw a volatile red day on Nifty. So today, the markets yet again moved more than 250 points, and this has become a very regular occurrence where the markets are moving almost 1% on an intraday basis, while the straddle itself is pricing around 250 to 300 points for the entire week's markets action. And today, again, we had this news by our regulator regarding the weekly expiries, and of course the exchange and the broker stocks, which are very prone to the weekly expiry staying or going away, they swung a massive 5 to 6% on an intraday basis. Today at the close, Nifty is at 25,700 levels, which is also the breakout level above which we broke out last week. So it's very important to see where we open on Monday, and the moment we start trading below 25,600 levels, we might be opening the floodgates to another 100 to 200 points downside. So let's get to the terminal and let's see how we are positioned both from the open interest front, both from the wall front and from the price action front. All right. The daily chart on Nifty is showing back-to-back red candles, and today's red candle is more intense. The selling pressure was more intense today, and of course, we are up staying about 25,650, 25,700 levels, which is this breakout level. And जब तक हम इसके level इस levels के ऊपर है, we might take this, we might consider this move as some sort of a breakout, and the markets are coming to retest with some amount of shakeout that's gonna happen among the weak hands. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत weak hands अगर यहाँ पे आपका positions exit कर देते हैं, then probably we might continue to head higher and we might see a subsequent breakout in the coming days. But problem तब आती है जब markets 25,500 के नीचे trade करना शुरू कर देता है, because that is when a lot of these traders who have initiated the breakout longs, तो those people's trade structure will be negated, and जहां पे उनका stop losses trigger होना शुरू हो जाता है, and that might open the floodgates to further downside. But I'll not be too keen on expecting that, because जो हमको chart पे दिखता है उसको ही हमको trade करना पड़ेगा, and we should not be wishful thinking नहीं करना चाहिए markets में. So as of now, as long as the markets are above 25,650 levels, for me it is just a consolidation phase and some sort of a retesting market जो दे रहा है. तो if we go into the lower time frame, तो अगर 5-minute time frame पे जाके बात करें, तो today the first 15 minutes were very bullish, because जैसे हमने flat open करते ही we saw a 150 point का up move with back-to-back solid green candles, and that too the buying pressure came exactly from the yesterday's low. So this was a very bullish sentiment, but suddenly the markets took a U-turn, and from there what we saw was a one-directional sell-off. So the sell-off was throughout the day with not much of the pullbacks. यहाँ पे एक बार एक pullback आया, but apart from that it was just a step down kind of a correction, sell-off, step down, sell off, step down, sell off, step down. So this kind of a correction happened in the markets, and the concerning thing is we have closed exactly at the day's low. So almost 25,700 के आसपास हम लोग close कर रहे हैं, and with a lot of expected news, because क्या है ट्रम्प के regime में anything can happen over the weekend. So this might be looking like a negative price action, but over the weekend we might get some positive tweet from Trump, and suddenly we'll open against this trend and with a big gap, and suddenly everybody's stop losses get hit, and that might trigger some sort of a short covering rally. This is what we have been seeing over the last few months, where the markets are opening erratically, especially over the weekend. So that is why I'll not have any interest in opening some sort of a positional exposure. Even if I have some positional exposure, that is mostly from a debit trade structure point of view. I'll not take any credit spreads, especially in the Trump's regime. So अगर open interest की बात करें, again you can see that the calls have been written at 26,000 levels, but at the same time the puts have also been written at the 26,000 levels, right? So this shows that the markets are expecting some sort of a support at 25,700 levels, and this might be a shakeout, because 25,500 पे भी काफी ज्यादा put option open interest addition हो चुका है, and even 26,000 पे भी actually put options actually write हो चुके हैं, and call options भी write हो चुके हैं. तो people are expecting the markets to again recover probably 150-200 points on Monday, and probably end somewhere around 25,900 to 26,000 for the expiry day. So I'm not too concerned of this down move unless we see a significant gap down, which is most probably news based or event based gap down on Monday anyway, which is not in our hands, and all we can do is just follow price action. अगर walls की बात करें तो yes, the walls were like decent for today. 230 points पे open हुआ था, and towards the first 15 minutes when the bullish sentiment was there, even the walls spiked because the calls were kind of underpriced, and suddenly there was a repricing of calls with the puts not giving up any of the value. But after that the wall started to fall, so did the markets. Spot भी गिर रहा था, and walls भी गिर रहे थे, and from almost 230 levels we are closing somewhere around 200 levels, and Monday के लिए हमको प्रीमियम्स मिलने वाला है somewhere around 180 और 170. अगर 170 के नीचे अगर प्रीमियम्स खुलता है तो then for me again non directional के लिए it doesn't offer a good risk reward proposition, but anything above 180 I take that opportunity, I take that trade right at the opening tick for some sort of a delta neutral trade structure. But again कहाँ पे open होता है, that also is very important, right? So that is what it's about. And अगर प्राइस एक्शन के बारे में अगर मंडे के लिए ट्रेड्स का बात करें, सो देन अगेन ओपनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. तो इफ वी सी अ बिग गैप देन डेफिनेटली मंडे के लिए ये रेंज के अंदर ही मार्केट रहने वाला है, विथ ऑलमोस्ट आई कैन से दिस विथ अराउंड 80% प्रोबेबिलिटी. अगर थोड़ा भी गैप अप खुलता है तो टुडेस रेंज, टुडेस लो एंड टुडेस हाई विल कंटेन द मार्केट्स, एंड इसके बाहर मार्केट जाना काफ़ी मुश्किल हो सकता है, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रेंडिंग डे. दो ओपनिंग से लेके यहाँ पे थोड़ा चॉप हुआ, बट आई फील दैट दिस इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ लिक्विडिटी अब्जॉर्प्शन. यहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी स्वीप करके बहुत सारे बेयर्स को यहाँ पे ट्रैप करके, एंड वहाँ पे बहुत सारे बुल्स को यहाँ पे ट्रैप करके वहाँ से मार्केट ऊपर नीचे आया है. सो इट वॉज अ क्लीन ट्रेंडिंग डे टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो आई एम नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग अनदर ट्रेंडिंग डे ऑन मंडे, एंड स्पेशली इफ वी ओपन अ गैप अप देन आई विल बी टेकिंग पर्सनली मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड्स बोथ एट दिस लेवल. यहाँ पे एंड यहाँ पे मैं मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड्स को इनिशिएट करने वाला हूँ ऑन फ्रॉम द बोथ साइड्स. स्टॉप लॉस छोटा रहेगा एंड द रिस्क रिवॉर्ड विल बी इन माय फेवर फॉर द मीन रिवर्शन ट्रेड्स. बट अगर मार्केट फ्लैट खुलता है एंड यहाँ पे एक बड़ा कैंडल, एक रेड कैंडल बन जाता है, देन आई विल नॉट टेक एनी ट्रेड्स until unless the high of this candle is breached, because यहाँ पे कैसा है, the support is somewhere around 25,650 levels. तो हो सकता है इनिशियली मार्केट ने एक प्राइस एक्शन क्लियर ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर दे यहाँ पे जाए एंड यहाँ से फिर से मार्केट एक रिवर्सल मारे, बिकॉज ओपन इंटरेस्ट भी हमको यही बता रहा है, बिकॉज 26,000 पे अभी तक पुट राइटर्स अभी भी जिंदा है, दे हैव नॉट अनवाउंड द पुट ऑप्शंस, पुट ओपन इंटरेस्ट अभी भी है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स मी थिंक दैट any breakdown towards 25,650 is an opportunity to take some sort of a mean reversion trade. So mean reversion trade में यहाँ से नहीं लेने वाला हूँ. If the market opens flat and we see a strong red candle on a 15 minutes time frame, so I'll take a mean reversion trade once the high of this candle is breached. Now gap up हमने डिस्कस कर लिए, फ्लैट ओपनिंग हमने डिस्कस कर लिए. व्हाट हैपेंस इफ वी सी अ बिग गैप डाउन? तो इस सिचुएशन पे थोड़ा चीजें डाइसी हो जाता है, बिकॉज markets has got some sort of a new information which is not priced in yet. So I'll wait for the markets to form the initial balance as usual. तो जनरली जब गैप डाउन खुलता है तो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा बहुत वॉल्स भी होल्ड कर सकता है. हो सकता है कि प्रीमियम्स वुड स्टिल भी समवेयर अराउंड 200 नहीं है तो 190 पे भी ओपन होता है, तो इट इज़ अ डिसेंट प्रीमियम टू ट्रेड. तो अगर एक बड़ा गैप डाउन खुलता है एंड 190 पे प्रीमियम्स ओपन होता है तो देन probably some strangles would make sense. I would not trade straddles tomorrow because 190 points, तो हो सकता है कि you will get trapped both sides. तो probably straddles and probably some sort of a risk on adjustments would actually make sense. So these are my three scenarios for Monday, and you guys have a happy weekend. I'll see you again on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.